Hello students, today we are going to discuss Fukuyama reduction. Fukuyama reduction, it is the reduction of thiol ester using trialkyl silyl hydride in presence of palladium as a catalyst into aldehyde. Okay, means the reduction of thiol ester into aldehyde by using trialkyl silyl hydride in presence of palladium as a catalyst. Okay. Now here see the reaction of Fukuyama reduction. Okay, general reactions here. RC double bond O S E T. This is the thiol ester in presence of palladium 0 as a catalyst by using trialkyl silyl hydride. Okay, most of triethyl silyl hydride it is used. The next solvent is it is a tetrahydrofurane. Okay, at room temperature and will give the aldehyde. Okay, here the reduction of thiol ester into aldehyde by using palladium as a catalyst, then triethyl silyl hydride and solvent tetrahydrofurane at room temperature. Okay. Now next see the mechanism of Fukuyama reduction. Okay. The mechanism of Fukuyama reduction. There are 4 steps are given. First one is oxidative addition, second one is transmetallation, third one is isomerization and last one is reductive elimination. Okay. Now here see the first, the oxidative addition. Here the thiol ester RC double bond O SET in presence of palladium 0. Okay. This is the oxidative addition. First one is oxidative addition. Here the palladium 0 or palladium insert on C double bond O SET. Here form here L2 palladium 0. Here R C double bond O. Here palladium. Here SET. Here L. L means ligand. Okay. Here the RC double bond O and SET are trans to each other because they minimize the repulsion. Okay. Here the palladium 0 is converted into palladium 2 plus. Okay, here the oxidative addition. Or here oxidation takes place. Palladium 0 is converted into palladium 2 plus. The next step it is a transmetallation. Triethyl silyl hydride. Okay, here transmetallation. Here the 2 metal atoms, first one is palladium and second one is silicon. Okay, here this bond attack on here loss of SET. Okay, here formation of RC double bond O, here palladium, here are 2 ligands and here hydrogen. Okay, and plus triethyl silyl SET. Okay. The next step it is a isomerization. Here next the isomerization takes place. Okay, here the trans is converted into cis form. Here R C double bond O, here palladium, here H, here 2 ligands. Okay, this is trans is converted into cis form. The next step it is a reductive elimination. Okay, here palladium 2 plus is converted into palladium 0. Okay, here the reduction takes place. Here RC double bond O H plus palladium L2. Okay, this is formation of aldehyde plus palladium L2 0. Okay, palladium 2 plus is converted into palladium 0. This is all about Fukuyama reduction. First we see what is Fukuyama reduction. Fukuyama reduction, it is reduction of thiol ester by using trialkyl silyl hydride in presence of palladium as a catalyst into aldehyde. Okay, reduction of thiol ester into aldehyde. Then see the reactions of Fukuyama reduction. Here RC double bond SET thiol ester is converted into RC double bond OH. Aldehyde in presence of palladium 0 as a catalyst and trialkyl silyl hydride at tetrahydrofuran at room temperature. Okay, then next see the mechanism of Fukuyama reduction. There are 4 steps are given. First one is oxidative addition, second one is transmetallation, third one is isomerization, and last one is reductive elimination. Okay, now here see the one examples of Fukuyama.
The electrocyclic reactions. Electrocyclic reactions, these are in closing as electrolytic reactions.
Here
In these reactions, we saw two types of rotation, two types of motion.
CH2 CH2 C double bond O S E T. Okay, this is the thiol ester in presence of palladium 0 L2 triethyl silyl hydride. Okay,
Two series of reactions.
now here see the mechanism.
Suppose consider this electrocyclic
First
reaction in closing reaction. These are
CH2 CH2 C double
transmetallants.
bond O S E
The pi
T.
electron system
First step
or
it is a
transmetal
oxidative addition.
create
Here palladium
this
0
pi electron. So
L2.
this is the electrocyclic system, electrocyclic reaction.
Okay,
See another example
here
where
first
this
insertion
pi
of
electron
palladium into C
here
double bond O S
and
E
two
T.
sigma
This
bond
is the
here.
oxidative
That sigma bond
addition.
form and we get the product here, electrocyclic reactions. These all are possible by
Here palladium L
thermal and
L
chemical mode.
and
This
here
was
S
produced
E
from your
T.
previous.
Okay,
You see
the
that
next step it is the
compare these
transmetallation.
examples.
Here triethyl silyl hydride. Okay, with the palladium and silicon. Here this bond attack on here
Electron is there
and loss of
and in this elimination we get the
SET. Okay,
product.
leaving group. Here CH2 CH2 C double bond O. Here
B equal to
PD
constant.
L,
So these
L
products
ligand
we have
and here
obtained. Now
H. Okay,
we have to
plus
divide these systems into the
triethyl silyl
into the category.
SAT.
Such as this system contains 4 pi electron. So 2 pi electron, this 2 pi electron,
The next
this 4
step
pi
it
electron.
is the
This call this system
this is
4n pi
transmetallation.
electron system. This system is a 4n pi electron system.
The next
So
step
in
it
this
is the
there will be 6
isomerization.
pi electron. So 6 pi electron we can write according to K
Here
equal to
trans is
4n
converted
plus
into
2
cis form. Okay,
pi electron system.
here
Here equally here 8 pi electron system. Now this 8 pi electron system is also
C
4
double bond O
n pi
palladium.
electron system.
Here
So
H L
4n
L. Okay,
means
these two
there are
groups
two
are
systems here. Only two systems here.
converted into
Two types of system
one
that
side.
is
Okay,
4 pi
these
electron
trans
system
are converted
and
into
12 pi
cis
electron
form.
system and
The next
4n
step it
plus
is the
2
reductive
pi electron
elimination.
system. These are very important two types of system 4n pi electron system and
Here the
4n plus
elimination
2 pi electron system. Here
takes place.
4n pi electron system means here n is equal to
Here palladium 2 plus
1.
is converted
This
into
means n is equal to
palladium
1. So
0
4 pi
and
electron
here
system.
form the
Here
product
this is another 4n pi electron system. Here n is equal to 2. That means total 8 pi electron
here
system.
H.
We
Okay,
n is
here
equal to 2. So
reduction
8 pi electron
takes
system.
place
Here
plus
4n plus 2 pi electron
palladium
system.
0
n is equal to 1.
L2. Okay,
N is equal to 1. So
this is
here
the
4
final
into 1
product.
plus 2. That
Here
means total
thiol
6 pi
ester
electron
is
system. So we have divided this
first
system
step
into
is oxidative
categories.
addition takes
This
place.
4n pi
Here
electron
palladium
system,
insert on
4n plus
C double
2
bond
pi
O
electron system.
SET and formation
Now,
of this
when these
structure. Then next
systems
Transmetallation takes place. Here triethyl silyl hydride, this bond attack on palladium, and here loss of Levy group. Here formation of, here two groups are trans to each other, and here two ligands are trans to each other. Okay, the next step, it is the isomerization takes place. Here trans is converted into cis form. Okay, the next step, it is the reductive elimination. Here palladium 0 is converted into palladium 2 plus is converted into palladium 0. Okay, or here the formation of last product.
Now, in this case,
So I'm stop here. Thank you so much for watching this video.